Serbia, officially the Republic of Serbia, is located at crossroads of Central and Southern East Europe, in the southern part of Pannonian Plain and the center of Balkan Peninsula. The north of our country is under the plains, and as we move towards the south, we come across hills and the mountains that dominate the southern region of Serbia. The climate of Serbia is between continental in the north and Adriatic in the south. Agriculture is highly developed. We have favorable temperatures and plenty of fertile land for growing different crops. Serbia mainly exports vegetables and fruits, as well as cereal, such as wheat and corn. According to Serbian tradition, we produce jams, marmalades, and compotes from fruit, and we are known in the world as the largest exporter of raspberries. Our traditional alcoholic drink is rakia, which is served to every guest who wants it and produced by every household. In addition to delicious food that we produce ourselves, our country is rich in clean and untouched nature, rivers, lakes, and mountains. The most famous European rivers that flow through Serbia are Sava and Dunav, and they flow at Kalemegdan in Belgrade. The Kalemegdan Fortress is a unique cultural monument, which today represents one of the symbols of Belgrade. It is a fortress located on a ridge above the confluence of the Sava and Dunav rivers. It was first built at the beginning of the 1st century. During its history, the fortress was conquered by the Huns, the Hungarians, the Ottomans. It was damaged during the First World War and occupied during the Second. Known locally as the Belgrade Sea, Ada Ciganlija is the most beautiful lake surrounded by woodlands, cafes, restaurants, and bike paths. Most beautiful recreational area of the city where visitors can enjoy swimming, water sports, biking, etc. Mountain Avala and the Tower of Avala is another symbol of the city. Top of the tower offers an impressive panoramic view. Also, on top of Avala's mountain is a monument to unknown hero. There are so many things that I haven't told you that are very important for my country, culture and history, such as Monastery Miloševa, Ravanic, Studenica, Pećka Patriaršija, Tumane, Museum Lepenski Vir, Deviminacium, the spas with thermal and medical waters. Each place has its own history, which I could tell you about for days, but it would be better if you visited yourself.